Gold yesterday has created a bearish candle. The price could not continue rising up. We can see that the price has only managed to reach 2528.59 and then retrace back down. We can see that the price has gone all the way back down to 2493.53, which is a support level, but a very important support level I have mentioned before. It is a range area which was here 2502, and above that it was 2514. Now we can see that yesterday candle did not manage to make a breakout below this 2502 price level, which means this support is holding. What we can see, it is a very important information because this is a bearish engulfing candle, completely encompassing these two previous days, which means a pretty strong selling pressure signal here around this area. So how today will close, it will be very important, because if the price returns back above 2514, it will mean this will be a failed bearish signal, this bearish engulfing candle. But if the price goes below 2502 price level, this will be a continuation of this bearish signal, and then the price could drop below even more, where it is 2484. Around this area is the next support where the price could stop. We can see that this day has started as a bullish candle, and if we go on the lower time frame, 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, we will see that there is a bullish potential breakout above, pointing into the higher price level. So what will happen today and what is expected, I will check it much more clear on the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, what happens, because it will be a much more clear signal where the price could go, because currently this is a bearish signal, this is also a bullish signal, so we have a mixed information, which means indecision area on the market, which needs to be clarified first. 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame I will share inside the Telegram group. The link will be below in the description, with the traders, so they can also see what happens on the market during the day, and also what are the levels on the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, that are pointing where the breakout could happen. Will it be bullish like this one, which is currently happening, or it will be a bearish one, which will also suggest further decline down. This is everything shared with the details with the traders, so we are also discussing where potentially the price could go. This is all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.